It is October 6th or 7th, 2016, and it's time to pick the Liberty tree. This is way later than I normally pick it, a week or two later, but they just weren't getting really ripe. We've had some warm days, so it's time to pick them now, though. Doesn't look like more than about a half bushel on here, maybe 3/4. By the time some of them are put in the deer bucket, half a bushel I expect. A light load this year. The rest of the trees are nothing. There were a few on the Honeycrisp, a few on the Shizuka here, but all the animals got the apples this year except for a couple of trees. So it's time to harvest. Now for the taste test. Taste test one has a flaw in it. So, crisp and breaking and sweet. A Liberty apple is somewhat firm, so you want to make sure you get them ripe. Otherwise, they're a little bit tart, like a Jonathan. But I got all but a couple little apples on top. So, done for this tree. Juicy. Well, here we are in the front yard, picking the only tree that had any apples, my Liberty tree, right over here in the corner of the house. And we got about a half bushel. These crates are a 3/4 bushel. So here's the Liberties this year. They're really dark. Shine one of those up and see how shiny they get. Beautiful. So here's our Jonagolds here in this. They're pretty nice looking apples. Big too. It's a pretty big apple.